Hello students, I know most of you are having the smartphones, so let us start learning the Python using our smartphones itself. Some basic commands we will see slowly. So go to the Play Store and just type Python QPython 3. I already have it installed. I'm not updating it. You just install it. Fine. Once you will install, you will get a screen like this. Over here, start with the console. This, the three greater than signs, this is called the Python command prompt. Here we will type all the commands of our Python, and Python gives us the output there and then. For example, today I want you to just see this with some basic arithmetic operations, like we have 2 plus 3. Just press enter, it will give you 5. 4 multiplied, or say slash 2, 4 upon 2 is 2, like that. Say we have a multiplication, 3 into 77, it will give 231. 4 raised to the power is double asterisk in Python. 4 to the power 9 is 262144, and so on. Just type these some basic arithmetics, use it as a calculator, and let me know your feedbacks. Thank you.